Hi everyone, welcome to Anas Academy. You need some information about iPhone 13 Pro? Yes? So, this is the right place for you. So, don't waste the time, let's go.
Where the standard iPhone 12 won out against its Pro-branded sibling 2021's iPhone 13 Pro is undoubtedly the one to beat. At first glance, the 13 Pro uses a familiar 6.1 inches Super Retina XDR display, but Apple has finally decided to bring promotion to the iPhone, with the panel now topping out at a super smooth 120 Hz. The notch is also 20% smaller too. As for the cameras, you can expect bigger sensors and faster apertures that mean improved low-light performance, far more comparable quality when switching to the phone's ultra-wide, which also now offers macro shooting capabilities, and a 3x telephoto snapper, letting you shoot further than before. What's more, the iPhone still leads when it comes to video capture, gaining some smart new features like cinematography mode, granting greater control over how your footage looks in the moment. Pair that promotion tech with the phone's powerful A15 Bionic chip and a bigger battery, and you can expect some sizable longevity gains, rendering this a 2-day iPhone on a single charge.
So, this is short video about iPhone 13 Pro. I hope like this video. So, bye bye and thanks for watching.